What's up, guys? So I'm sitting here editing the footage from this weekend's little trip, and I realized I got some pretty good footage of loading my Pro Angler 14 with the Boonedox landing gear on it. So I know I've seen on the Facebook page and a couple other places some questions about whether or not the Boonedox landing gear is worth it. My opinion is it's 100% worth it. I don't know how I would ever do without it, but I know some people have other ways that they do it. But this is some good footage of how easy the Boonedox landing gear makes loading and unloading such a heavy kayak that's fully loaded, full of gear, full of rods, so you don't have to take everything out and all that stuff. You don't have to take anything out to tilt it on its side to get the scupper mount card in it. You just lean it over, put the wheels on, roll it up to your truck, and slide it in. So enjoy the footage. Like and subscribe. I should have another video out here in a couple hours once I get done editing all the footage from this weekend, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll see y'all on the water.